Hello everyone, this is Shelly and welcome back to my channel Travel Days Tales. And please do subscribe and like my channel if you like my videos. So in today's video, I will show you the celebration of Plano's 150th birthday, which was organized in the downtown Plano at Plano's famous Haggard Park on 3rd June. Last time in the same Haggard Park, I attended the amazing Plano Asia Fest as well. Incorporated in 1873, Plano has completed its 150 years, and over these 150 years, Plano has emerged as a family-friendly suburb, the balloon capital of Texas and hub of some big corporate headquarters. Plano is an amazing city with great people, beautiful parks, famous schools, and known for its healthy living. So when we arrived at the event, the Haggard was being decorated for the celebration and people were coming and enjoying their time at the park.
Happy birthday, you're mine.
The entire Haggard Park was beautifully decorated with lots of colorful balloons, and it was looking so colorful. The event organizers also arranged different artists like stilt walking jugglers, face painters with free kids areas as well. Also, kids were very happy to see this lady in mermaid costume and everyone wanted to click pictures with her.
So happy, you're made.
Let's get right to the
Finally, Plano's mayor, Mr. John Beeman, congratulated everyone on Plano's 150th birthday, and everyone sang Happy Birthday Plano song together.
We are so excited to have you all here. This is a great celebration for a community that I'm so proud of. I've lived here almost all my life, and I have such a privilege to be in this community, and I know all of you do as well. And it just says so much about all of you being here today, celebrating what makes this community so great. The quality of life, the live, work, and play environment that we have. And we're so excited about the next 150 years. Not sure I'll be here, but I'm looking forward to it. Happy birthday, dear Plano. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations, Plano.
Everyone enjoyed the delicious free cupcakes from HEB, and then we strolled around the park to check out the different stations of kids' game, free gifts, and city departments. However, there were more fun events were yet to be happen at the Plano birthday event, but due to the rain, further celebration got cancelled and rescheduled to be celebrated with the 4th July celebration, which is with America's Independence Day. So whoever has missed 3rd June celebration can attend the 4th July celebration at Collin College Spring Creek campus. Also from the different station at Haggard Park, we got different small goodies and gifts. So this was all about how Plano's 150th birthday celebration was organized at Haggard Park. Hope you all liked today's video. Please do like, comment and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to not to miss any new video update. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.